The yard sale. Now you can put prices on them, Mom said, putting the last of Becca's things in a neat row on the table. It wasn't fair. It was early in the morning, it was cold, and the Petit family was having a yard sale. They'd be moving into a smaller place in the city later in the month, and they had to get rid of a lot of stuff. Becca picked up a china ballerina that Bobby Silvato had told her looked like a walrus. She put it down and stroked the fur of a purple and white stuffed bunny that she'd won at the fair. Next to it was an old fabric box with a nail polish stain on the inside. Becca picked up a yo-yo and began to smack it against the table legs. "Becca, stop that," Mom said. It was bad enough that they were moving, which would ruin everything. But on top of that, her mom had put her in charge of the kids' table. "You can show them which toys you liked and how much fun they were," Mom had said. I guess that means the fun is over for me, Becca thought. At 8:30, cars began to pull up in front of the Petit house. "Becca, you need prices on your tags," Mom said as she jogged past with a lampshade in her hand. "How much do I charge?" Becca said grumpily. "Whatever you think is reasonable," Mom called over her shoulder. Becca pondered this for a moment. If she added up all the hours she'd spent with her things and all the memories they represented, these items were priceless. So why not price them accordingly? "How much for the yo-yo?" asked Louis from next door. He picked up the yo-yo and let it spin to the ground. "It's $30. "Really?" Louis placed the yo-yo back on the table. "Yo-yos don't cost $30. "This one does. It's an antique." "Well, never mind then," Louis said sourly before walking off. Becca smiled. Question 1. What kind of person is Becca?